Hello kids, you are our teacher Shweta. Today we will learn different action with the help of stick figure. Let's start. First of all, we will draw a stick figure. Make a circle, then slanting line, one leg forward, shoe, one leg backward, one arm forward, one arm backward. This is running figure. Then second figure, make a circle, standing line, two part of leg, shoe, slanting line and curve, and slanting line, then curve. This figure is a standing. A circle, then slanting line, one leg forward, second leg up, both the arms in the front. This figure is catching for waiting. Make a circle, standing line, one leg forward, second line up, make hands, make a row. This figure is skipping. Draw circle for face, standing line, one leg backward, one leg forward, one arm backward, one arm forward. This is walking. Make a circle, standing line, two slanting line, shoe, upside arms, sleeping line. This figure is a hanging. Your figures is ready. Thank you.